How to change a TikTok username before 30 days. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username before 30 days. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open. Here, make sure that you are logged into your account, then head over to your profile on your bottom right and tap on Edit Profile. If you tap onto your username, it says that it can only be changed once every 30 days. Now to resolve your issue, tap on three-bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll at the bottom of the page and tap on Report a Problem under Support and About. Under Topics, tap on Account and Profile and tap on Profile Page. You tap on Other and tap on No. Then you will get leaded towards this page. Here simply type in that you would like to change your username and that was a mistake that you did before 30 days, and mention that you would like to change your username even though it has only been 29 days or something that you have last changed your username, but just mention that there were some typos and you would like to correct your username. Once done, just tap on this photo icon and you can also add a screenshot of your current username, and once you do so, tap on Submit. Then lastly, wait for their message on your system notification inside your inbox. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.